Copy music.
Today's the day I go home. Today's the day I go home. And I can't wait. Like, I don't know if I should keep this thing on my head or not. But dang, it's low-key a bow. Why they eating? But today is the day I go home. I get to see my little below bully butt. Oh my gosh. I literally see my Lilo. My baby. My son. I get to see my son. Hey, this is through TSA. And I have no idea what time it is.
Wait, put me on a second project.
Okay. My hands are crusty. I need lotion. This is disgusting. I don't know why my hands so crusty.
Mine always I need my lotion, but don't always do it.
I have some. I think I have some in my back. So. Okay. Taste with us. Period. It's really hard. Dang, that tail is gonna break. Y'all, I'm already in the bed. Like, I'm watching my Lilo's here. Hi, my booga boy. He was so excited to see me. Y'all, I literally just got in the bed. Like, I don't know what to say. I ate. I'm back. Holiday content in Chicago coming soon. Hi, everyone. So, I literally just woke up. Mind you, it's 12 something. It's 12 o'clock. And I think I'm gonna go. Like, I've been sneezing all night. I'm sorry, y'all can't see my face because I'm laying in my bed. But I've been sneezing all night. I think because of the detergent that was washed with the sheets. I think that's why. And it's been making me have like a slight allergic reaction to it. So I just been thugging it out low key. But then I'm going to be making tacos tonight. So y'all, we're gonna have a cooking show on here for a good minute. Cooking show with Lanaya. And then I'm gonna take a bath. And I'm gonna do some other stuff. I'm gonna just relax. Like, y'all, I'm too happy to be home. And I'm just happy that you guys are able to be back at our home. This is literally our home. This is where it all started. This is our place. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm back. And it, like, I'm not gonna lie, it just feels like Christmas morning. Like, I genuinely was walking around the house and it felt like Christmas morning. Like, what? I don't know why it feels like Christmas morning, because nobody's here. Everybody went to school. They was all up this morning. I hear my mama yelling, AJ, wake up. Girl, I'm sleeping. I'm just like, I'm having flashbacks. I almost started getting ready for school. Like, genuinely almost started getting ready for school for, like, not like college, but like high school. All I hear is, y'all, get up. And I'm like, oh, dang, I need to get ready for school. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Me and my son went right back to sleep. Couldn't do it no more. But yeah, I'm going to keep y'all on my journey while I'm home. Tomorrow I get to see my girls. And we're going to the dance show And then Saturday, I'm going to go to Stairways show. I'm going to record that, even though I don't record on Saturdays. But I feel like it haven't been a lot that I recorded for this video. So I'm going to record that as well. So, yeah. I'm cooking. My cooking show. I'm cooking. I'm doing work. I'm doing etc. So I'm going to cut these onions, supper, and then look at my intro paragraph. Okay, y'all, so I got a little sidetracked, but the food is coming along. My allergies are kind of messing up, and I had just wanted to, like, be done with it all. I'm doing my dog's food right now. So, yeah. I'm just trying to make sure everything is done. This is my taco. And we're about to try down because this looks so good. Oh, I look crazy, but I just want to drive and I'm going to go get my brother a donut. It's freezing. Like, the heat is on. But my car old. Like, my face look crazy, but I genuinely don't care because I'm at home. And I'm going to get ready when I get back. But, hey, my dog, Lilo, sit down. Okay, so I'm about to unpack my clothes because I have clothes here, but they like small stuff. Like I have underclothes and stuff, but I don't want to put anything in the dressers, so I'm gonna put it in my little small these so that I'm able to get it out faster. But I guess I just need to be able to get in my closet. So I'm going to use 3 of them. I don't know if that's going to be enough, but we going to hope. Because I have more. It's just they a little busy. They got some stuff in it. So, yeah, let's get this started. We at our old school. Yup. Here goes Zaria. And I might get copyrighted.
Did you see Autumn?
When? Oh yeah.
Her dad keeps turning around.
Bro, here go Aubrey. She used to be in the vlogs and stuff, you know, period. And she should be.
Wait, that's not who I thought you were talking about. Wait, but he's like,
Bro, my brother. a hellhole.
I actually like it here, honestly. Really?
Well,
No, it's okay. It's nice to be back.
yeah, it's nice to be back. Y'all, we got our seafood. We're here with Stella, Sabrina.
See, okay,